Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Humble Indian Traders. This is the post market analysis video where we will be discussing what could have been the good trades today with the proper logic, entry, exit as well as the stop loss points. Okay, let us begin. See, today the market opened a slight gap down and you see what it did. As soon as it opened gap down, right, it actually made a sharp move of around 200 points after opening gap down. See, this was the opening and it gave a downward move of around 250 points, and see what it did immediately after that was a strong rejection from the previous day low, a very strong rejection from the previous day low. This was a bullish indication right in the morning itself. But will we take the trade as soon as we see one candlestick? No, never. We are not going to do that, because you see this previous swing, right, from where the market has taken a U-turn, this needs to be taken out first of all. So the morning trade was very good. As soon as it gave the breakout, now this was very clear cut trapping of the sellers. People who had all sold the positions yesterday, right, what happened now? In the morning they were seeing some good profits. Okay, even I had taken the position, even I was seeing some good profit when the market went till this point. I exited at somewhere at this point. Okay, now imagine the people who did not exit the trade, what would have happened at this point? All of them will be seeing the losses, right? All of them will start to exit now. Now all of those people got trapped. But does that mean you will enter immediately here? No. Why? Because the only reason why you cannot enter is because if you enter here, where will you keep the stop loss? Here. Do you see, this is a huge stop loss. Now in this case, what you could have done, the best thing is, whenever the breakout candle is too huge or the previous retracement where you actually keep the stop loss, it is coming very far, right, you have to wait for a retracement or a retest. See here, market gave a perfect retest and then a movement. So this was the perfect entry for you. This was the entry, this was the stop loss, this should have been your exit. What is this point? This is not some random line, this is the previous day high. Okay, what happened at the previous day? Market actually fell down sharply from the previous day high, right? So this is a resistance, this is a supply zone. You had to exit there, and you see what was the plan actually. I'll show you something very important point exactly at this region. Okay, what was planned, I'll show it to you what was planned in my Telegram group. See, I had already shared yesterday itself that we are going to short the market. Where are we going to short the market? Exactly at this level or at this level. Do you see this? So many people would have made the plan to short the market here. The simple reason that why people have made the plan and why it even played out beautifully, because this was a strong resistance zone. Market has already proved it. Now you and me cannot prove whether this is a strong resistance zone or not. Who has proved that? Chart has already shown that that place was a strong resistance. Previous day was a strong resistance, and from there the sellers are going to get active. And you see what happened, market went there, hit that level, and the plan, right, yesterday's plan was to short the market here. It also played out beautifully, but it did not happen on a 5 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, you got a perfect entry there. What was the candlestick? Do you see this? You enter, you see exactly at the previous day resistance, market gave a bearish pin bar. Do you see this? This was the perfect entry. You could have kept your stop loss here, and what would be your target? Target would be this one. This was 41,800 levels, right? Two good trades. One was on the upside and the next one was the downside. But this downside move, right, this was very hard to capture today, because simple reason that market did give a movement, yes, but the movement was very choppy. Okay, now observe what was the last trade, and a very good trade for the day was one more trade. There is one more setup called as fake breakdown. Fake breakdown means whenever you are having a major support or the resistance, okay, you should mark that, and whenever it is getting broken, if immediately after the breakout or the breakdown, if the market gives a reversal. Do you see this? Now this was a good support here, and then it acted as a strong resistance. Okay, from this level itself the market had given a breakout. So previous support, market should have respected this, right? But you see, once it gave the breakout, instead of testing it and falling down, what the market did, it went back into the zone again. This was a very good trade. You could have entered here with this as a stop loss, but it actually hit your stop loss once but gave the re-entry again, and the next time it gave you the nice profits. Now these were the trades that you could have taken today. Now what are the plans that you can make for tomorrow? Tomorrow's plan is actually going to be very simple. Now what is my plan for tomorrow is short at the resistance. Now the best thing, right, what I want, the best thing to happen is I want the market to give a rally tomorrow. I want the market to move from 40,966 to almost till this region. What is this? 41,482. Okay, 41,500. I want the market to give this 450-500 points rally. And what happens after market has given one way rally? A profit booking will come, right? So I like to short the market here. And you see, previously also when the market had fallen, right, 2-3 days back, it has tested 41,500 and it has given us good fall. Tomorrow if the market again goes to this point, it will fall. And you see, before giving the fall, if at all the market has to reach to 41,500, it means the bullish momentum also would have already come. So even those people will try to book the profits, and there are sellers sitting there, so there will be dual pressure where the buyers will try to exit the trades and sellers will try to short the market, because this is a supply zone and I would like to initiate my trade here looking at a bearish trigger. Now this is the best trade that I could get. And observe one more thing here, that market is actually taking support from this trend line. It is continuously taking support from the trend line here. Do you see this? It gave a fake breakdown once. See, it has given a fake breakdown once today. If the market reverses tomorrow from this point, if it hits this trend line again, are you seeing that market is continuously bouncing from this support? So I would like to initiate a buying side trade either at this trend line support, or else, very simple thing, if the market doesn't respect that trend line, if it falls till the day low, right? Do you see that day low is a very strong support? Market has bounced from this point exactly today. So even tomorrow market is going to show some reaction at this point. And you see, this is again a psychological level. This 40,500, 41,000, 41,500, right? These are all very important psychological support and resistances in Bank Nifty. At every 500 points, Bank Nifty will be having a strong support and resistance. So if the market falls to this point tomorrow, what are we going to do? Simple thing, we are going to see some bullish trigger and we are going to initiate the trade. And what should be the ideal target? Till from 40,500 to 40,850 should be the ideal target. If market halts here and again gives the breakout, this should be the case, right? And what if the market breaks this level also? So in that condition, if the market falls here, if it halts for long and then gives the breakdown, right, only then I will try to take the trade. If it is giving the parabolic move, one-sided move, breakdown, right, I will not be interested. The best trade for me would be market should give a positive rally tomorrow till 40,500 and then it should give me a shorting opportunity. This would be the best trade for me, this one. Right now, this is my plan for tomorrow. Tell me in the comment section if you like the analysis, if you like the logic behind today's trades, right? And also let me know if you have any doubts. Keep following the page Humble Indian Traders. Hit the notification button so that whenever I am going to release the videos, from now on I am going to release regularly. I am going to make the daily analysis videos, right? So that you get the notification of the new videos every day. Thank you.